road. Section 6. A Mercedes-Benz for every journey. Mercedes-Benz offers a diverse lineup of vehicles to suit a wide range of lifestyles and preferences. Whether you're looking for a luxurious sedan, a versatile SUV, a sporty coupe, or an eco-friendly electric vehicle, Mercedes-Benz has a model to meet your needs. For those who value spaciousness and practicality, Mercedes-Benz offers a range of SUVs including the compact GLA, the family-friendly GLE, and the flagship GLS. These SUVs combine the brand's signature luxury and comfort with the versatility to handle everyday adventures. For drivers seeking a more exhilarating driving experience, Mercedes-Benz offers a range of coupes and convertibles, including the sleek C-Class coupe, the stylish E-Class Cabriolet, and the high-performance AMG GT. These models combine stunning design with thrilling performance to create an unforgettable driving experience. And for those who are environmentally conscious, Mercedes-Benz offers a growing lineup of electric and hybrid vehicles under the EQ brand. These vehicles showcase Mercedes-Benz's commitment to sustainability without compromising on luxury or performance. Section 7. From humble beginnings to global icon. The story of Mercedes-Benz spans over a century of innovation and automotive excellence. It began with German pioneers Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler. Benz patented his Motorwagen in 1886, marking the birth of the automobile. Daimler and Maybach developed high-speed engines revolutionizing transportation. In 1926, Benz and Daimler's companies merged, forming Daimler-Benz AG. The name Mercedes came from Mercedes Jelinek, daughter of Emil Jelinek. Mercedes-Benz continued to innovate, setting new standards in the automotive industry. Iconic models like the 300 SL Gullwing and the luxurious S-Class solidified its reputation.